What's up guys, Alex over here. Just got home. If you saw the video where I went to pick up some gravel bike wheels, got them home and I'm trying to get them to set. I already got one in and I'm glad I did check because it was like the tire was actually mounted backwards according to the rotation. I struggled up a little bit to get it seated, but it finally did, so I'm happy about that. Now I gotta make sure this one is mounted correctly. If not, I'm gonna have to flip it and then try to get it to bed in. Before I do it, I want to go ahead and measure the rim width because I didn't do it on the other one, just to compare it with the stock Axum wheel. Before I do, because I had the caliper with me just a little bit ago, I have no idea what I did with it. Let me see if I left it over here in the car. I want to get the original stock Axum wheel to see if, just to compare the widths, because I couldn't get the other tires that I had, I couldn't get them to bed in on the other. I freaking just had that thing. Okay, so I'm over here in the garage. I have one of the Axum wheels. This is not set up tubeless yet. As you can see, it still has the original just protecting tape. Before I find the caliper, please go ahead and subscribe, turn the notification bell on. If you want to support the channel, you know, the affiliate links in the description below. But let me see, what did I do with that freaking caliper? I had it on my hand literally just now. I went inside the house to get the vernier caliper and now I can't find it. It's in maybe on the front seat, because I came and got the GoPro, but then there it is. And let's see, let me set the camera up so you guys can see. This is the stock Axum wheel, 30 millimeters thick. Now I gotta check this one. Give me a second. Well, I'm glad I checked. Look at this. It says rotation, rolling direction right here. That the arrow pointing forward, but look at what side the cassette is at. So this one actually has to go like this. So I'm gonna have to take this tire off and flip it, and it'll be convenient because that way I can go ahead and measure the width. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. All right, since I have this thing out, let's go ahead and measure the width, because everybody cares about that. And this one is right at 20 millimeters thick on the width. And like I said on the previous video, look at the tubeless ready tape. It's Bontrager, and these are some Axis Elite wheels. Let's see how many spokes we have. Let's see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So this is a 28 spoke wheel. This is pretty cool. It's gonna be I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a whole lot lighter. I'm not gonna weight the wheel just by itself. Probably just weight the wheel and the tire once I swap them. Let me go ahead and set this tire up and try to get it seated. Right, so the tire is in. I got the logo with the stem cap, and all I gotta do is try this out. I actually tried it a few times on the other wheel, but it did work eventually, so hopefully this one won't be that bad. That bad, it was faster than the other one. You can hear the pop. I'm gonna go to carry seat with the air pressure because this only holds 55, so I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. It doesn't have any sealant. I just need it to be seated properly. and that the bead is good all the way around. So it seems to be like so. Alright, pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's see what my pressure is. Need some pressure. A little bit of 55. Same thing with the other one. Well, there you go, 55 front and rear, and these are American Classic Kimber Light tubeless ready with flat protection with the tan wall. This is something I wanted to try. Not a big fan, but I think these are actually gonna look pretty cool on my gravel bike. Let me, since I have them over here, might as well, let me go ahead and get the gravel bike out and swap these tires out. I just realized I gotta swap the cassette and I don't want to do that just now. Well, let me, fuck it, let's go ahead and do it. Give me a second. Let me get another hat because I'm gonna sweat this hat and I don't want that. Okay, let's see, just a reminder, how much weight is this? I think it was like 27 something, maybe closer to 28, because I replaced the saddle. Golly! I don't want to do this. $29.94 with the stock everything. Rear wheel tire tube, no cassette, 5.7 pounds. That's the rear one, 5.7 pounds. New one, tubeless, no cassette. Damn, 3.83 pounds. Like 2 pounds difference right there. Front wheel, tube, tire, rotor, stock one, 656, 334, less than half. Nice, we're gonna save a lot of weight over here. Let's see what's the weight now. Woohoo! 2690. 3 pounds difference. Not bad. Not bad. Man. Well, I don't know about you, but I think I can call that a success. $140 for the whole wheel set with wheels and tires, plus whatever I spent on gas and easy tag. I'm not gonna count that. $140. I had already spent $60 on just tires, so almost for a little bit over double that. I got wheels and tires, decent ones, that actually fit this bike a whole lot better. This is kind of like the look that I was going for. For now, these are 700 by 40s. They're a little thin, but again, this is a gravel bike, not a mountain bike. Later on, once these wear out, I might get something a little bit wider, as wide as I can go, but keep the tread as a minimum. That way I can keep the rolling resistance low. But other than that, I'll leave affiliate links for these products in the description below from Amazon. That way if you're looking into something like this, you can find them. I know I'm gonna have affiliate links for the pedals and I'm pretty sure I can find the tires as well in there. But yeah, I'm liking the way this bike looks. This is kind of, like I said, I mean, these are the originals. They do look good and everything, but there's 27.5s or 650Bs, and these are like 2.3s. So this really mountain bike tread pattern, which is not bad, but that's not what I wanted for my gravel bike. For now, this is gonna do just what I needed to do. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. That's it for this one, guys, and I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye. Let's see what Lisa wants. Hey, say hi. Good boy. No, senor. Freya. You run. Sit. Sit. Nope.